All right, so we're at Oman's right now. Looking good, man. So this is where the septic tank is going to be, and then the CR will be right up there in front. All right, so here's the front. Now let's walk around. They almost have this side done. They just need this section here. And they're working on the CR over there. That little section there. And I think there's gonna be a couple windows on this side. And then inside, hey bro. I think there's gonna be a window there, and I think one there. I'm not exactly sure. I think one over here. Oh, nice. Are these from your garden?
Yeah.
Ah, these are James peanuts from his garden. They've been doing this for about a half hour.
Yeah.
He never gets along. I sing this song all the time. Richie's like, what are you singing? Yeah. Every time she says, Kumasta, I say, Hakuna Matata. They're leaving this open right here to put another door so they can go to the CR more easily. And then this will be the front door, like before. They got a nice bakery going on over here. Nice chocolate cake. Little chocolate cookie with the flour in it. This one's wrapped up pretty nicely. And another nice little brownie. I said, nice window. Look, we got a new window. And Raymond said?
Lost door.
Lose dough. What's lose dough, Richie?
Lost door.
Window? Lose dough? But we're at Oman's now. It looks like he put in 2 windows here. And then one in front there with the door. I'll just walk around. Nice, looking good. And here's the back side. Then here's the CR. What's up, Oman? So there's the septic tank over there. Looks like they have the pipe or the PVC going through here and then out here. So all right, so they've been working hard. What's up, bro? And then here's 2 more windows, and then they're gonna have a back door here. All right, so here's the look on the inside. I go to this far corner. Here's the window, here's another door, another window, loose dough, window, and another door here, and they'll have another window here. Here's a better look at the CR. They're gonna have the door right in front, and the CR will be here, and then the septic tank right in back.
How's your day today?
Right, is it good?
What did you do today?
Look like grandpa.
Grandpa.
Grandpa before. I remember.
When did he make that face?
During Pista, after drinking alcohol.
I'll give you 10 seconds and you can't laugh, alright?
Okay.
Hi, Richie. Wow, that was quick.
Wait.
That wasn't even a second. All right, ready?
Okay.
All right, ready? You gotta look at me though. Okay. Seriously, don't laugh.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay.
All ready? So we're about to go, and if you guys remember past videos, I played taxi with coins. They're playing it, the kids are playing it without coins.
No.
They're using waste.
Yeah. They're using pieces of Hardiflex. So this is Imi's house, and this is Oman's house, and this is their next door neighbor. This grass is really cool in the yard. Check this out. Very cool. Many plants. I love the bamboo house.
You know, this one is old clothes and then put cement and then you can make.
Oh, okay. So this is old clothes? Alright, cool. Look at all these peanuts that James just picked. Wow. Did you plant these too?
No.
No, these are different ones.
Sige, plant anak, tanong. Ah.
Okay.
Okay ra?
So James planted the one on his property over there, and these are his neighbors. What's your name?
Ava.
Ava.
Turner.
Alright, cool. So this is her garden back there. Hey! She's got a really cool yard. This bamboo is really nice in the house. Look at all these decorations with the bottles. Little steps coming up to the garden. Nice. So these are all peanuts right here. Nice.
And look at this.
This is the bitter vegetable palea. Now these pieces of wood here, because it grows and it kind of connects and wraps around. And those are all peanuts through there. And here's some of them here. So Juvie, who lives over there, that's Oman's wife, she has two brothers, and one lives there and one lives here at this home. So they dug this trench around their house, going around here for water. When it rains, sometimes the water will come down, even from over here. And this is to collect the water so it doesn't get into the house. Then it can just run off here and then keep going this way. But I think this is one of my favorite front yards so far. It's really cool. It's got the garden, and the front area with all the plants and the little walkway. And the bamboo house is just so cool.
She has a surprise for us.
We're at Imi's now, and she said she has a surprise for us.
Boy.
Nice.
Surprise.
Nice.
Maruya.
All right. That looks delicious. You'll never get hungry around here. We're very well fed. Everywhere you walk, people are offering you food. Thank you very much, Imi.
No problem.
You're welcome.
All right, so at Baludo's, if you've seen the video, we made Tik Tik Bud Bud. The Bud Bud is when you wrap it, and then the Tik Tik is with the corn. And this is called
Maruya.
Maruya, but Tik Tik Maruya.
Yeah,
from corn. All right, very cool. So this will be my first time trying this, I believe. It looks like a oatmeal cookie or something like that. But very good. Yeah. So they fried this. Very good.
Parang kuha na ko kanang ihaw niya. Nagdali mo karon. Basta mo balik adlaw.
Nena, uy.
Kanang wari mo kanang
She will
adlaw
cook
ba?
chicken for you.
It's okay. It's okay. She's offering to cook us a chicken right now. So last time we were here at the house, this is what we cooked there. Okay, but it's just a little. It looked just a little different. Last time was a little bit more well done and crunchy. So this is a little bit less done, a little gooey inside. So it's really good. The other one was good too. It was just crunchy.
Kay dudong
Ikaw,
dai,
James.
kay tunga mo dito.
Ikaw,
Mana na
James.
sila dai?
Alright. Ikaw, guys, dem kaon siya.
Kaon ka dong.
Thank you, Imi.
We walked there. They gave us peanuts. And
Yeah.
here, food.
No matter where you go.
I cannot diet.
Yeah, we're trying to be on a diet, but it's impossible here.
What a... Yeah. Thank you.
Richie's got her dry fish. And Amy would not let us leave without eating. We said no to the chicken because we didn't want her to kick the chicken. But she did. She gave us some mushroom, some bamboo, and some moringa. And then also some corn. So, and then dried fish.
with her homemade vinegar.
Homemade vinegar, all right. Keep that on your side.
Wanna try?
I'm good.
Dustin. Little bit. No.
I'll try a little bit. I've tried it before, I just don't like it. It's too salty for me. But I will try. I'll try just about anything, but I have tried before. Alright, so here's a little bit.
With rice. It's nice if mixed with rice. And
Yeah.
I'll show you how
A lot of rice. Show me how to eat it.
This is how to eat.
Alright.
Pobre. Pinobre.
Oh.
And it's really not that bad. I'm just kind of half joking. But it is just a little bit too salty for me. I don't like salty foods. But it is pretty good.
I know, because many white guys, I mean, all my students also in Cebu, they don't like
Salt.
dry fish.
Or
The
like
smell.
dry fish. Yeah.
Our boss people get mad.
Do you like the smell though? But you had a boss that got mad?
Our boss, Korean,
Yeah?
they don't allow us to cook dried fish because all the smell in the room.
Yeah. I've noticed that too. I used to couch surf, or I still couch surf, but back when I traveled before the lockdown, when I used to stay with people, I stayed with someone, well, they said they're not allowed to cook dry fish or have dry fish in their apartment because many people complain. And that's one thing, it's hard to do because I don't really enjoy the smell. And when you eat something and it smells horrible, it's hard to enjoy what you're eating. So even if something might taste good, if it smells horrible, it's like part of it, it's like half of it.
Yeah.
So it's hard to enjoy something when it smells really bad. So I'm gonna sit over here and eat my food while Richie's over there mowing down her dried fish. So you guys have a nice night. We're just gonna sit here and enjoy this nice meal. It's around like 5:45 maybe, so it might get dark pretty soon here. We're just gonna sit here and relax. We just left Oman's house and the neighbor up there, and now we're at Imi's house. So we'll just see you guys later. See you guys tomorrow. Thanks, Imi.
Well, you're welcome.
Thank you. So there's the mushroom, the moringa, and the bamboo. And then the corn on the bottom. Yeah.